I felt like someone was stabbing me in the heart. I was crouched over and I was rescue breathing. I thought I was dying. I thought I was having a heart attack. My wife fortunately walked past. She saw me in that crouched position. She called 000. I was rushed to hospital. I was diagnosed with, at that time, a nervous breakdown, which the specialist also advised that I had been suffering some anxiety. I guess what I look at back now, and I call it, was the 3 a.m. monster. At 3 a.m. every morning when things were tough, I'd be dry reaching, I'd get up and I'd dry reach. Nothing come up, just nerves. The chest pains become more increasing. They come and go at different times throughout the day, different challenges. But I guess, you know, after everything that I've been through, with that period, I did it to myself. I did it to myself. I didn't put my hand up. I didn't ask for help. I didn't ask for help. I was too proud to say, hey, I need some help. Put your hand up. Put your hand up. Talk. It's the best thing you can ever do. My biggest piece of advice would be if you know somebody that's not feeling their normal self or being their normal self, you'll see the signs. Ask them, are you okay? Having that conversation with that person will be the first day of the rest of their life, of having a happy life and changing their life forever.